Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make photos the same length in CapCut PC. So before you add in your photos, you need to do this first. You can't do it after you've added your photos. Go to menu, go to settings. Then go to the edit section, and here there's an image duration portion of the settings. And type in the how many seconds you want the image to be, like the length of it. So maybe like 5 seconds. Press save, and if I added like a bunch of photos, I'm trying to do that at once, it's all going to be like 5 seconds. As you can see, it adds up to 20 seconds since 5 times 4 is 20, if you did not know that, but obviously you would know that, you're smart. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.